Hey, what's up everybody? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Temu on your Shopify account. So first, let's try to search here Temu. So as you can see here, currently Temu is not yet available on Shopify. However, what you can do is you can download or install these drop shipping applications for you to be able to connect your Temu account to Shopify. So it's going to be like a third party. So for example, let's download Zopi. Temu, by the way, is shipping from China, so we want to make sure that the drop shipping company or the drop shipping app that we download is available in China. So let's first check that. Let's check if it's available in China. Yep, sourcing locations, China. So we'll install this. And then afterwards, we'll just go and connect it with our Temu account. So let's click on install. And now it's already connected, installed rather, in our Shopify account. Obviously, there are some plans here that you need to avail in order for you to be able to access Zopi dropshipping. However, what you can do here is you can go to integration and you can integrate your Temu account with your Zopi account. So there are a lot of dropshipping that is available in Shopify that you can use to connect with Temu. So either Zopi, or you may also opt to choose the other dropshipping available like CJ Dropping or Dropshipment. And that's it for today's video. We hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, please do hit the like and subscribe button. And stay tuned for more videos only here on Talk Help Guy.